Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Telegram on laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I just open Chrome browser and I just type a Telegram. So once I type a Telegram and search, it automatically move into telegram.org. So there will be a Telegram desktop over here. So just hit the button Telegram desktop. So it will show you get Telegram for Windows X64. So this is your system bit rate will be there. So if you want to identify what is your system bit rate, just go to your settings option. You can identify what is your system bit rate. For example, 34-bit, 64-bit and Windows 10 or 11 or anything will be there. So you can identify what is your systems and what is your operating systems will be there. So there will be a Windows updates will be there. Just click that and you can able to identify what is your system, 64-bit or any other types of things. So my system is 64-bit over here. So I just want to download in a 64-bit. If your system is 34-bit, means there will be a 34-bit will be there. So just click here for the portable version. So you will get all kind of versions will be there. So you can able to identify show all platform. So get Telegrams, get Telegram for Mac OS, get Telegram for Windows and Linux. So there are plenty of operating systems will be there. So once you click here portable version and get Telegram for Windows, if you click, means automatically it will ask you to download the software. So you just click here to save the software. So once you click here to save the software, automatically the download will be happening over here as you see here. So my software has been downloaded successfully. Now I just want to install the Telegram app in my laptop or desktop to use. So 42 MB files are there. Just double click on that, automatically it will install in your laptop or desktop over here. So simple and easiest way you can install your Telegram app. So select the language will be there. So first and foremost, just select the language and just click the next option, and Telegram desktop will be there. Just click the next option, create a shortcut key. If you want, you can create a shortcut key and just click install. Automatically Telegram desktop will be extracting in your desktop, so that it will be installing in your laptop or desktop, so that it will be easy for you to access the chat options while you are using Telegram applications. For example, so if you want to chat, everything will be there. So yes, successfully installed Telegram applications as you see here. Just click finish option. So automatically the app will be open here from your laptop or desktop, so that you can able to access whatever files you want, you can access over there. So this is Telegram desktop over here. So just click start messaging. You need to scan from your mobile phone and log in with your Telegram app and you can use. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.